I'm Ms. Mishra, maths teacher of PLPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already explained law of exponent. So dear students, I hope that you have already clear that what is the law of exponent. So dear students, today I will explain some questions based on the law of exponent. That is question number 5 in your exercise. Question number 5 of exercise C. So dear students, question number 5 is evaluate question number 5 of exercise 11C. Question number 5 of 11C. Question is evaluate the following minus 1 upon 3 whole square multiply minus 3 upon 5 whole square multiply minus 1 whole square. So dear student, as you know, I have already explained about the law of exponent. Law of exponent, that is a multiply b to the power m equal a multiply b whole to the power m. Dear student, I have already explained about this law. On the basis of this law, I will explain question number 5 of exercise A1C. Dear student, I see here that here is minus 1 by 3 whole square multiply minus 3 by 5 whole square. So, according to this law, we can write minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 3 upon 5 whole square multiply minus 1 whole square. Dear students, as you see here that here is 3 and here is also 3. So I will cancel 3 by this 3 and minus 1 multiply minus 1 will be plus 1. So it will be equal to the 1 upon 5 whole square multiply minus 1 whole square. Dear student, as you see here, 1 by 5 square multiply minus 1 square, we can write according to this law will be equal to the minus 1 upon 5 multiply minus 1 whole square. A to the power m multiply b to the power m equal a multiply b whole to the power m according to this law. So it will equal to the minus 1 upon 5 whole square. It will equal to the minus 1 upon 5 whole square. So dear student, here minus 1 by 5 whole square. So we can write as minus 1 upon 5 multiply minus 1 upon 5. Here when we multiply minus 1 by minus 1, we get 1, and when we multiply 5 multiply 5, we get 25, because 5 multiply 5 will be 25. So it will be equal to the 1 upon 25. This is the right answer of this question, minus 1 by 3 whole square multiply minus 3 by 5 whole square multiply minus 1 whole square. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now I will explain next question of this exercise 11C. Question number 6 up. Question number 6 up. Exercise 11C. Question number 6 is second part. Second part is evaluate 5 square multiply 5 cube. 5 square multiply 5 cube divided by 5 to the power divided by 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 as a power of 2, as a power of 2. Dear student, first of all, I will explain this part 5 square multiply 5 cube divided by 5 to the power 5. After this, I will explain as a power of 2. It means solution of this equation write as a power of 2. So first of all, I will solve this part 5 square multiply 5 cube upon 5 to the power 5. Dear student, as you see here that law of exponent a multiply m multiply a to the power m equal a to the power m plus m. So dear student, with the help of this law of exponent, I will explain 5 square multiply 5 cube. It will be equal to the 5 to the power 5 upon 5 to the power 5. Here dear student, you see here that 5 to the power 5 here and here is also 5 to the power 5. Dear student, as you know, a to the power m upon a to the power m equal a to the power m minus m. This is the law of exponent. So with the help of this law of exponent, we can write 5 to the power 5 minus 5 because here is m, here is n, so it will be equal to the 5 minus 5. Then it will be equal to the 5 power 0. 5 power 0 means 1 equal. We can write 5 power 0 equal 1 and we can also write 1 as 2 to the power 0 because power of any number is 0, then it will be equal to the 1. So 5 power 0 equal 1. So 1 can be write as 2 to the power 0 and this is our correct solution of this question. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now I will explain next question. Question number 7. Second part of question number 7. Question number 7, second part, 2 to the power 4 multiply 25 multiply 9 square multiply 15 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 4 multiply 6 square. 2 to the power 4 multiply 25 multiply 9 square multiply 15 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 4 multiply 6 square. So dear student, as you see here, that here is 25. So first of all, I will write 25 as a power of 5, because when you multiply 5, we get 25. So we can write 25 as power of 5, and also here is 50 to the power 4, here is 5 and here is 6. So first of all, I will write 50 to the power 4 as 50 write as 3 multiply 5, and here 6 I will write 3 multiply 2 whole square. So first of all, I will write 2 to the power 4 multiply, here is 25, so I will write 5 square, because 5 multiply 5 will be 25. Here is 9 square, so we write 3 square whole square, because when we multiply 3 multiply 3, we get 9. So 3 square whole square multiply 3 multiply 5 whole to power 4. Now here is 5 to power 4 multiply 6. 6 is the multiplication of 3 and 2. So I will write 3 multiply 2 whole square. So dear student, here 2 to the power 4 multiply 5 square multiply here 3 square whole square. So I will write 3 to the power 4, because a to the power m whole to the power n equal a to the power mn. So I will write 3 to the power 4 multiply 3 to the power 4 multiply 5 to the power 4, and I will write 5 is to the power 4 multiply 3 square multiply 2 square. So dear student, as you see here 2 to the power 4. So I will write 2 to the power 4 multiply, here is 5 square and here is 5 to the power 4. So power of 5, 4 and 2 will be added, and it will be equal to the 5 to the power 4 plus 2 will be 6. Now multiply, here power of 3 is 4 and power of 3 is 4, so it will be equal to the 3 to the power 8 upon here is 5 to the power 4 multiply 3 square multiply 2 square. So dear students, here is power of 2 is square, and here power of 2 is 4, so it is equal to the 2 to the power 4 minus 2, and here is power of 5 is 6, and power of 5 is 2, then it is equal to the 5 to the power 5, here 3 square. Here 3 square, so here 5 power of 5 is 6, and here power of 5 is 4, so it will equal to the 6 minus 4 multiply, here power of 3 is 8 and here power of 3 is 2, so it will be equal to the 3 to the power 8 minus 2, so it will be equal to the 2 square multiply 6 minus 4 will be 5 square multiply 3 to the power 6. So dear student, after this I will find out the answer 2 multiply 5 whole square multiply 3 to the power 6, then it will become 10 square multiply 3 to the power 6. So dear student, this is the required answer of this solution. Now I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now next video I will explain other problem of this exercise. Thank you so much.